You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. You can't master business if you haven't mastered time, and you can't master time if you ignore the creator. In this video, I will show you divine principles, pattern that you can use to become a unique entrepreneur. Don't worry, if this is your first time joining this channel, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that when any video is uploaded, you will be notified. You're welcome to this episode. In this episode, you must understand that every entrepreneur starts somewhere, but what determines how they will get there and when they will get there is how well they manage their time. You see, time management is critical if you really want to become successful as an entrepreneur. This video is more or less like a template that can help you get to where you're going. Every entrepreneur must go through this so that they can create the foundation framework that will allow them to be productive and also to have a long-time success. God is the giver of time. Genesis shows us that God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh day. That was not just a creation pattern. It is a time management blueprint that you must have. You see, 6 days for purpose, 1 day for renewal. Most entrepreneurs get burnout and they fall behind because they ignore this balance. Let me go a bit personal. For more than 5 years, I work Monday to Saturday, and Sunday is my rest day. Once I go to church with my family and we're back home, I go through my siesta. I sleep every Sunday, 2 hours, 4 hours, just to renew my body, to re-energize, to keep my body. You see, you don't want to think, work. You don't have a time out to relax your nerves and to sleep well. And my family know this. Like, let's say out of all the Sundays, maybe 1 out of 10 is the one that I really don't sleep. But it is a culture. I have put it into my structure. But I don't just want to be an active worker. I also want to create a balance. This is why some entrepreneurs fall sick. This is why some entrepreneurs are not medically fine, because they are cheating the framework of the body. The framework of the body is expected to help you achieve that vision, but the body must be fit to enjoy what you are creating. Time is a tool, not a trap. You must also understand as an entrepreneur that time is your most valuable asset, not money. The first valuable asset God gave to humanity is time. That is why when you die, that is the end. But in as much that you still have time, there is still hope. So you can lose money and get it back, but when you lose time, it is very, very hard to get it back. So wise entrepreneurs, they use time to buy freedom. Wise entrepreneurs use time to buy freedom. They work, they earn, they invest, so that money begins to work for them over a long period of time. And that is how to buy back time, to live a life of impact, peace, and purpose. So this is one of the things I learned, because I have once asked myself, why will God work for 6 days and resign on the seventh day? You see, resting is important, but what you do with your 6 days is very, very important. I always say it, if you want a result at the end of a month, divide that result activity into 30 days. That is what you are expected to be doing every single day. You see, once you do that over a long period of time, you will be able to buy more time that you will be free. For example, I have always said it, I want to resign active work at 50. Why? Because when I understood the time management framework principle, I have turn it into a blueprint, and all I do is that I work Monday to Saturday, creating a structure and a system that can work for me when I decide to leave my working environment and begin to chase impact all around the world. So I want every entrepreneur to settle in and say, what is important to me every month? Break it down to the activities every day. Because what you do every day will give you the result you will have in a month. What you do monthly will give you the result you will have in a year. So sit down, break it down. So let me give you a good example. This is how my sales framework. If I want to make ₦1 million, I will ask myself, how many people do I need to talk to achieve 1 million? Let's say the product is 10,000 naira each. That means that I need to reach out to 100 people in 30 days for me to make a profit of 1 million. So 100 people, I will divide 30 by 100. That means that for me to get 100 sales, it means that every week I want to have an average of 25 people to buy from me. If I cannot get 25 people to buy from me in a week, I cannot get 100 people at the end of the month, and I cannot get 1 million at the end of the month. So I divide my 25 by 6 or by 5. That means that every day I must close a business inflow of 5 people. If you get 5 people, you can get 50,000. And if you get 50,000 every day, you can get 1 million in a month. You have to bring down everything you want to become into time and break the time into the lowest version, which is day, and hours, basically. So when I come to the office, I know that I have a session for the group company. I have a section for all the subsidiaries to work, and I am done for the day. And I do this every day for 30 days. So that in the next 3 years, in the next 7 years, in the next 10 years, when I want to stop work, everything has been built and they are working well. So I want you to leverage on this as an entrepreneur. Break down your Mondays. What do you want to do on Mondays? Break down your Tuesdays. Break down your Wednesday. But let every of the days, let them add up to what you want to achieve in a month, what you want to achieve in a year. Don't say, I will do it tomorrow. Because if you don't master time, you cannot master your life. This is how I have mastered my time, and it has helped me to master my life. Sit down, do a breakdown of your time. Break it down further into days, break it down further into hours, and don't play with any of the time. If you can do this, I tell you for free, your success is guaranteed. So in closing, don't just hustle, build with strategy. You see, hustling all day without structure is not mastery, it is slavery. So if you want to really become independent, you must work with a structure. Like I have said earlier, learn how to delegate, build system, invest so that you can free your time and expand your value over a period of time. Proverbs 21 verse 5 says, the plan of the diligent lead surely to abundance. I'll say that again. The plan of the diligent. So you must have a plan. So when you are diligent with that plan, then the Bible says that it leads to what? Abundance. So if you don't have a plan and you are not diligent, you will suffer. But for you to have abundance, there must be a plan. You must be diligent. Then I guarantee you that you're good to go. So plan your hours, prioritize your energy, protect your Sabbath. You need to make sure your Sunday is for rest. But Mr. Mayowa, what of me that I'm working on Sunday? Then you readjust. So you can turn your resting days to your day off so that you can maximize and live a balanced life. If you're ready to master time and build a business that works for you, and not just because of you. I tell you, we have a WhatsApp group that you can join that will help you for good. Check the description below. You'll get a WhatsApp group. Click on the link and join that community. A lot is happening there that can help you to scale up. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and I'm excited to bring this training for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, and click on the notification bell. So much value will still be uploaded for you to grow. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.